Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to swap crypto in Bitget wallet. So first things first, you just have to make sure that you have enough balance and your Bitget application is up to date. Now open your Bitget, and like what I have mentioned earlier, you must have enough funds or money here in order for you to proceed. So this is what it looks like, and what you're going to do in order for you to swap, which is our main tutorial, is to click this more option right here. So in more option, you see this sections like trending, markets and trade, earn, and wallet tools. You have to go to markets and trades and then look for swap. Tap swap and you will see here swap and limits. So since our tutorial is all about swap, you can see here the tokens. So if you want to sell a specific token, you have to click USDT and it will take you directly to sell tokens. If you can't see the token right here, you can go to the search icon and then type the specific token that you want to sell. So from the specific token, you can go back and then click this too and look again for a specific token here. So all you have to do is to select that. And as you can see here, once you have selected it and ready to swap, then you will see here the amount and the equivalent fee. So what you're going to do is to enter the amount here, for example, USDC to DAI. And then you will see here the amount, for example, this amount right here. This is the equivalent, or this is what you're going to receive. And then once you have enough funds, which actually I don't have. So if you have enough funds right here, all you have to do is to click swap and tap confirm. And that's it. Basically, that's how easy it is to swap crypto in Bitget using this Bitget application wallet. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.